Living in a small apartment doesn't mean you have to feel cramped or cluttered. With a little creativity and some clever tricks, you can make your compact living space feel open, airy, and even luxurious. In this article, I'll share my favorite tips and design secrets to transform your tiny apartment into a roomy and comfortable haven. First, focus on decluttering. A clean and tidy space instantly feels larger and more inviting. Take a weekend to sort through your belongings. Keep only what you use and love. Invest in smart storage solutions, like multifunctional furniture. Think beds with drawers underneath and ottomans that open for storage. Wall-mounted shelves can also help showcase your favorite decor items without taking up precious floor space. Next, think light and bright. Light colors on your walls and furniture can visually open up the space. If you're allowed to paint, opt for soft neutrals like white, beige, or pale gray. Mirrors are another magical tool. Hang a large mirror opposite a window to reflect natural light and create the illusion of extra space. Sheer curtains and minimal window dressings will let in even more sunshine, making your apartment feel airier. Open furniture arrangements can work wonders. Resist the urge to push every piece against the walls. Instead, try floating your sofa or placing a couple of chairs in the center with a small coffee table. This gives your room a sense of flow and avoids that boxed-in vibe. When you select furniture, pick pieces with slim, exposed legs and glass tops. These allow your eye to travel through the room instead of stopping abruptly. Don't forget vertical space. Use tall bookshelves, hanging plants, or high-mounted art to draw the eye upward, creating the impression of higher ceilings and more volume. Interactive art or textiles can also make your walls feel vibrant without adding bulk. Finally, embrace minimal decor. Choose a cohesive color palette and keep your accessories simple but meaningful. Too many patterns or knick-knacks can overwhelm a small room. But a few carefully chosen pieces, like a bold rug, a gorgeous print, or a unique lamp, can add character and warmth without taking over the space. By prioritizing organization, creating visual openness, and personalizing your decor thoughtfully, you can turn a small apartment into a big, welcoming oasis. Remember, it's all about maximizing what you have and making every inch count. With these tips, your small space will feel huge and homey in no time.